In this video, we are going to begin topic 4 and talk about equations, and today we're going to talk about solutions. So let's get started. All right, so I want to first talk about two things. An equation, unlike an expression, uses an equal sign. So it will say that two expressions are equal. For instance, 8 plus 2 equals 10 is an equation. 5 times 3 equals 15 is also an equation. It states that two things are equal. A solution is a value of a variable that makes an equation true. So, to be true, that means that both sides need to be equal. For instance, say I have the equation x plus 2 equals 10. I need to think about what number could I put in for x and add it to 2 to get 10. And I'm hoping you guys are like me and are thinking 8. 8 would be the solution to this equation because if I plug it into the variable for the variable, it makes it true. All right, so let's put that into context here. Jordan received a $15 gift card for phone apps. He used $450 of the value and wants to buy one more app and use the balance. So he wants to spend the rest of the money. Which app could he buy? So as you can see down here, we have $450 and X. And that needs to equal a total of $15. So now let's plug in these values and see which one would work. So let's first add 950 plus 450 for the All Recipes app. Zero and zero, 5 and 5 is 10, 1 plus 9 is 10, plus 4, up, that's only $14. So we know All Recipes would not work because he wants to use the whole card. He would have $1 left if that was the case. Now let's try the 1050. All right, 0 and 0 is 0, 5 and 5 is 10, 1 and, bring down your decimal, 1 and 4 is 5, and 1 and nothing up. So it would be Headliner Sports. So that means that 1050 would be the solution to this equation because when we add it to 450, it equals 15. It makes it true. All right, let's look at another. Tracy received a $21 gift card for phone apps, just like the other guy did, except he only got 15. She has used $9 of the value, and she wants to buy one more app and use the balance. So that means that X, or whatever money she needs to spend, plus the $9 she has, needs to equal 21. So let's talk about which one would make it true. Let's add first for the recipes, 950 plus $9 would make 1850, so that doesn't work. Let's try Headliner Sports. 1050 plus $9 would be 1950, so we're still short. All right, let's try the remote desktop app. $12 plus $9 would in fact equal $21. So in this case, she would be able to buy the remote desktop app because $12 plus $9 is 21, and that equals the whole gift card. So in this equation, 12 was the solution. All right, let's keep going. All right. Maya has a total of 1,190 marbles and 5 boxes, and she put an equal number of marbles in each box. Which of Maya's 3 friends, if any, correctly guess the number of marbles Maya has in the box? So if we can see here, these 5 X's need to equal, because we have 190, we split it into 5 groups. So 5 times the number of groups needs to equal 1,190. So let's start with 234 times 5. So let's see if the friend who guessed 234 would get it. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 2 is 17. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 1 is 11. Nope, wasn't the 234. Let's try 242. 242 times 5 bins. 20 plus 1 is 21. 10 plus 2, not going to be that one. And now let's try 240 times 5. All right, so actually it looks like in here, no friends were correct. They all guessed incorrectly. Because none of those numbers times 5 equals 1,190. All right, let's keep going. All right, we're going to look at one more. So Anthony has a total of Y marbles and 4 boxes, and he puts 13 marbles in each box. Which of his friends guessed how many marbles Anthony has? So we started with Y, divided it into 4 boxes, and got 13. So let's see if each of these divided by 4 would give us 13. So let's start with Julianne, who guessed 48. 48 divided by 4 would be 12. So she got it wrong. Nikos. So 48 is not a solution. Remember, our word today is solution. Does the value make it work? 60 divided by 4, I know, is 15, so that doesn't work. 120 divided by 4 would actually be 30. So again, these friends just aren't good guessers. No good friends were correct in either problem. All right, so that is going to bring us to the end here. I do just want to go back. An equation, again, has an equal sign. If an equation has a variable, it has a solution for that variable, meaning if you plug that number in, it will make everything true or make it the same. So that is going to stop us here, and we will continue to talk about it later. Bye, guys.